Hello children. See, in the last video I have told you about the different types of nouns. So today I'll tell you about possessive noun. So children, what is possessive noun? Possessive noun is like it shows a relationship of any belonging between one thing and another. Let's have a look. I have prepared a chart which I think will help you to understand it well. Let's have a look. So, what is possessive noun? Some nouns tell us who owns what. It means it shows a relationship of belonging between one thing and another. Examples of possessive nouns are Radha's doll. The doll belongs to Radha. Here you can see we have added one apostrophe and S with Radha. So this apostrophe and S is the possessive noun. The girl's bicycle. The bicycle belongs to the girl. Here you can see with girl we have added apostrophe and S. Apostrophe plus S. Okay. So this is the possessive noun. So, to make a word possessive noun, we have to add one apostrophe plus S. So, to form the possessive, we have to add apostrophe plus S to the noun. And if the noun is plural or already ends in S, just add an apostrophe after the S. See, for example, singular possessive nouns. Apple's taste. When we say about the taste of the apple, we say apple's taste. Book's cover. That means the cover of the book. We are talking about the cover of a book. So, book's cover. How we are writing it? Book apostrophe S. Book's cover. Boss's car. Car of the boss. Boss means your head. Okay. Computer's keyboard. Keyboard of the computer. So, see here apple, book, boss and computer all are singular words. So, we have put apostrophe and S afterward. After writing apple, we have added one apostrophe and S. Okay, because it is singular word. Same thing we have done in books. Book is a singular word and so after K we have put one apostrophe and S. Then bosses. Boss itself is a singular word. So we have put apostrophe and S. Computer is a singular word. So we have put apostrophe and S. Now we'll see what happens to the plural possessive nouns. The examples are baby's shoes. Here, see, babies itself is a plural word. Plural means more than one of anything. So here babies is a plural word. So we have added apostrophe after finishing the word, after the S, because the word already has the S. It means it is a plural word. So we have to add apostrophe at the last. Planets, orbits. Planets means more than one planet. So here we have added the apostrophe after S because it's a plural word. Students, again it's a plural word. So we have added apostrophe after S. Students' grades. Eggs, color. Again eggs is a plural word because here more than one egg is there. So eggs color. So we have added apostrophe at the end. Okay. Now we can also talk about possessions by using of. For example, the ship's whistle. That means the whistle of the ship. Nature's beauty. The beauty of the nature. Okay. Like this we can use of. Okay children, I hope you all have understood And if you have any problem, you are always free to call me up. Okay, and you have to practice the books exercises. That's all for today.